All right, if you're looking for a cool Ford F-150 pickup, the history is known on, kind of a cool story, check this one out. So we have a 1979 Ford F-150 Ranger regular cab, style side, long box, 4x4 as you can see. Now, this truck, original color was the midnight blue metallic S code with silver metallic, which is an old code, and as you can see, that is the color it is still in to this day. I'm going to kind of go through the decoding of this and what the tag says, and I'm going to tell you a little history about this truck. And you'll be able to check out the majority of the stuff I'm talking about in the still pictures too. So 6,300 GVW rating. It does have the 5.8 liter 351 V8 underneath the hood, and that's the engine it came with. Engine it would have came with back when it left the Twin Cities. That's where it was built. Was a Twin Cities production plant truck. Stayed in the Minnesota area. Actually went down to a city called Fairmont, Minnesota, where it was sold new, and then went to Grenada, Minnesota, where it spent its entire life before coming to us. Does have an automatic transmission with it. 355 gears, limited slip, rear differential. And that's what you can check out and tell all by the data tag that's in the door. Now that data tag and the still pictures of the truck, the underside of this truck, and some more of the manual and paperwork I'm going to get into, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can check out the pictures I'm talking about. You'll be able to check out the engine bay, interior, underneath the truck, everything. So, okay, little history on this truck. As far as engine work, engine was gone through approximately 20,000 miles ago. The paint has approximately 2,000 miles on it. It's basically been with the same owner since new. In 1979, a gentleman bought this truck with his son. His son was 17. Was in Dad's and the son's name, but it was the son's truck. But Dad had to be on the loan, paperwork, etc. So all the paperwork that you see is in Dad's name. And when I say all the paperwork, there is the original owner's manual, the warranty book, the warranty identification card, the original write-up or bill of sale. All of that is in the pictures. You'll see it. That was in Dad's name. It was son's truck. I'll give you a little peek at the interior here, which is also redone back to as stock as you could get. And we'll open up the other door, check out that side. But anyway, so all that paperwork's dated 1979, original registration when it was titled in Minnesota. And then when the son got older, loan was paid off, what have you, it went into just the son's name. And I believe that was somewhere in the 80s, and that's what title we have now in the son's name. But if you go back and look at the original paperwork, it's in Dad's name. And again, you can check out that with the still pictures. All the paperwork I'm talking about, I laid it out in the tailgate, shot it up for you, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Go to our website, check it out. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales associate about that. Now, some of the things, the steel bumper I noticed was ordered with the truck, the chrome bumper, and these sideboards, these step boards, those were actually dealer installed. I seen in the paperwork for about 30 some bucks. Originally, the ones that have been on there ever since it was new. You can see here it is a F-150 Ranger. It was ordered with the Ranger package. Truck just kept very original, well taken care of. I think a lot of what helped it too is it had the rust inhibitor sold to the customers when they bought this truck new. So that was all gone through and sprayed. So I think that's what's helped preserve this truck, and obviously was the baby of a family that really took care of it. And here it is today. They decided to part with it. It's now available to purchase, so I don't think I would wait around on this one. If this is something that you've been looking for, here it is. It's a beautiful truck. Now, once again, check out the still pictures. Take your time looking it over. It is in very nice shape, but you can see the undersides, the engine bay. Check everything out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see these pictures and the paperwork and everything that I was talking about. And the number 507-386-1726 if you want to just call and contact us. Spray and bed liner has been put in the rear of this truck. Also in nice shape. Now we're going to go ahead, see what kind of gloss and nice shine that paint has. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. All original dash. Thing starts very easy. It's been a smooth running truck anytime I've moved around the showroom or getting ready for pictures. Other thing I want to say, wipers worked. I did have the AC blowing cold. Compressor was kicking on. AC did blow cold. The odometer reads 86,728. But like I said, truck has been maintained. Engine gone through approximately 20,000 miles ago. About 2,000 miles on the paint. A little aftermarket Sony stereo was put in there, the cassette player. Transfer case lever. So really, interior is just as nice as the rest of the truck. Slip around, see how nice that closes. Look at how that fits too. That door, how even that is. Very nice. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 5.8 liter. 351 V8 under the hood. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. I'm going to pop this hood and show you what it looks like. It's pretty stock under there. Alright, here you go. There it is. 351 V8. You can see how smooth this thing runs. And again, about 20,000 miles on it since it was gone through. AC does blow cold, power brakes, power steering. All what you'd expect under a stock 79 F150 hood. Alright, so there you go. Ultimately, one owner truck. Son's name's been on this since day one when Dad helped him get it back in 1979. 79 F150 Ranger, regular cab, style side, 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video, there's a description. Click on it. That's going to take you, or there's a link in the description, I should say, that's going to take you right to our website where the pictures are. Once again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this truck to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your associate when you call in or email us.